back for another video. So as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be making some sizzling chicken and shrimp today. So you'll need Mexican style cheese or whatever cheese you prefer. I've already pre-seasoned the chicken breast. I had to get thin cut because obviously we're going through a pandemic. There's no chicken. Shrimp, of course. I have some peppers, onions, and tomatoes cut up. The 4 seasonings that all black people use: garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. So for a little extra razzle dazzle, I'm going to cook with some New Orleans Cajun seasoning and some seasoned salt. So what I'm doing here is just chopping the onions, peppers, and tomatoes up into little smaller pieces just so I can fit them in the pan a little bit better so they can cook evenly. We're just going to add some olive oil into a pan and cook our veggies. I'm not going to cook them down all the way, especially because we have to put them on the stove again. So you could just cook them until they're a little brown. Okay, so the veggies are pretty much cooked down, so we can put those to the side. Alright, so boom, with the chicken, you're going to heat a non-stick pan and put some olive oil in it. And then when the olive oil in the pan gets hot, you're going to just add your chicken. I cook my chicken on medium high, and I cook my chicken on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, so you don't have to cook with the lid on your chicken, but when you do cook with the lid on your chicken, it allows the heat to get trapped in. It makes the chicken juicier and it cooks it evenly throughout. And then halfway through cooking it, just take the lid off so it can get crispy and brown how we like it. Okay, so the chicken is coming out just how I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste the piece. You know you gotta taste your food before you serve it to other people, child. And what do y'all call the juice at the bottom of the pot? Y'all call it juice? Y'all call it gravy? I mean, I know it's chicken fat, but it's so good. Like over some rice, so good. So the chicken is finally done. We're just gonna take the chicken, put it to the side, and start on our shrimp. Oh my God, it looks so good. I know y'all want a piece, because I want a piece now. On the shrimp, make sure you guys are really careful with the shrimp. Like, you're probably like, who messes up shrimp? But you only need to cook shrimp for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. If you take your eye off a shrimp, it'll be rubbery in a second, okay? Now for the fun part, we're gonna take our Mexican style cheese, put it in the pan. I like a lot of cheese, a lot of cheese, and then put our veggies on top. Y'all, I was struggling. I don't know why I use this metal utensil in this metal pan, but don't judge me, okay? The cheese is melting down and the veggies are cooking a bit more, so you can go ahead and mix it around. Just make sure you have it all good. And then we're gonna add the chicken and the shrimp. Okay, y'all, so at this point, I won't lie, I was a little frustrated because it wasn't looking as pretty as I thought it would look. But what I just did is I took the cheese, the chicken, the shrimp I already made, and the veggies I already cooked down. I just put them in the oven, and it came out beautiful. So this is how it looked when I put it on the stove, and this is how it looked when I put it in the oven. It was so good. Look at the cheese and the veggies. Y'all, this was a hit at my house. If you make this, they might be on you, okay? That's all I'm saying. I also made zucchini and homemade mashed potatoes. Yes, homemade mashed potatoes. I don't do boxed mashed potatoes over here, honey. So I'm just going to show you guys that, but I'm going to speed it up. So enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If you guys like this video and want more, make sure you comment, subscribe, like, turn on the notification buttons, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.